Hello all, I'm Guna Mathivanan from Officers IAS Academy. Friends, we are coming up with an exclusive live quiz program based on current affairs targeting 2024 prelims on a weekly basis. So every Saturday at 6 p.m. in our Officers Path channel, we will be coming up with this live quiz program. So how to participate? So for which you have to install an mobile application. So go to either App Store or the Google Play Store to download this application named Kahoot application. Download and install it. Right. So every Saturday at 6 p.m. in the live video, I will be giving you a 7-digit PIN. So you have to enter that 7-digit PIN in your installed application. In that Kahoot application, you have to enter that 7-digit PIN. Or we will give you a QR code. If you are not interested in installing the application, you can scan the QR code in the web browser. You can open the web page. In that you can enter this 7-digit PIN number and you can participate in this quiz program. So once you enter the 7-digit number, the application will ask you to give a username. So you have to give your username. Followed by your username, please give your last 4 digits of your mobile phone number. For example, my username is Guna8990, the last 4 digits of my phone number. So like that you can create your own username. That's all. You are ready to participate in the quiz. So in the live video, I will be showing you the question. The question will be followed by 4 options as usual, A, B, C, D. The 4 options will have a color code, right? So option A, red color, option B, blue color, option C, green color, option D, yellow color. So the 4 options will have 4 different color codes. So in your mobile phone, you have installed the Kahoot application, right? So the Kahoot application in your phone, in your device, it will show you 4 colored box, only 4 colored box. Only in the video which you are watching, in that live video, I will give you the question, followed by that 4 option I will be giving you. The 4 option will have a color code, right? So if you are going to choose A as the right answer, then A has red color, then in your mobile phone you will have a red colored box. You have to choose that. That's all. If the answer which you have chosen is correct, and if you have chosen that quickly, for every question we will give you 60 seconds. Assume that I am choosing A is the right answer, and I am choosing within 20 seconds, within 10 seconds, based on how quickly I choose the question. I have to choose the correct one and I have to choose it as early as possible. So the one who is choosing at the earliest will be given more points. So if I am choosing in 20 seconds, I will be given more points. If someone is choosing at 30 seconds, then relatively lesser points, right? So this is how the quiz will work. So at the end of the program, we will show you the leaderboard. Between the questions also, I will show you the leaderboard. At the end, I will show you the final leaderboard. The one with more number of points will be given a certificate, right? The idea of the quiz program is to provide you a real-time experience of solving the questions along with that competitive environment, right? I hope this program adds more value to your preparation. So along with this, we have a daily current affairs hit list series, daily answer rating initiative. So all these initiatives will give you a competitive edge in your 2024 prelims as well as mains, right? I hope this adds more value to your preparation. So see you in the quiz. Till then, bye, take care. Hello all, welcome back to Officers Quiz, a place where you can test your knowledge and skills on various topics related to UPSC exams. As usual, I am Guna Mathivanan, the host for today's episode. I teach current affairs economics and I head the research and development team at Officers IAS Academy. Right? The drill is the same as usual. Even in today's episode, we will be having 15 questions. Each question followed by 4 options. Each option will have a unique color code. You have to choose the right color code by clicking the right color option in the Kahoot application. You can join the quiz by entering the PIN number, that is 553320, which we are showing it in the screen. By entering the 6-digit PIN number in your Kahoot application, you can participate, or you can scan the QR code and then also you can enter the PIN and participate. Alright. So today you have a surprise. Like in the last episode, how we had one surprise. What was that? Among the 15 questions, for one question we gave 30 seconds. So this time, not just for one question, for 3 questions we are going to give you only 30 seconds. It will be a surprise question, right? So just to make it more competitive and interesting, we thought of having more number of 30-second questions. So today will be more of a rapid fire round, right? Let's be very quick in today's quiz. So let's not delay further. Let's move on to our first question. So first question in few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Which of the following components are included as India's external debt? Sovereign borrowing, commercial borrowing, trade credit, non-resident deposits. Which of the following components are included as India's external debt? Select the correct answer using the codes. 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 25 more seconds. If you come across any issue, you can reach the WhatsApp number which we have given in the description. So last 10 seconds, the question is regarding the components of India's external debt. 3, 2, 1, 0, time is up. Answer is all. Sovereign borrowings, commercial borrowings, trade credit, NRI deposits, everything is a part of India's external debt. When I say India's external debt, don't think that it is government's debt. That includes country's debt. Okay, so our external borrowing, your external borrowing, a government's external borrowing. When government borrows, we refer it as sovereign debt. Okay, so here the answer is simple. Answer is all the above. 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct. Yes, predominantly the students have chosen the right answer. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. So Harsh followed by Sanjay, Ashwin, then Anand, and we have Lahari in the top 5. So congrats for all those who have got it correct. So let's move on to the question number 2. So question number 2 on the way in few seconds. Consider the following statements about compulsory licensing. Consider the following statements about compulsory licensing. It authorizes a third party. It authorizes a third party to make a patent product without the need of the permission of the patent owner. Then India has never used the provision of compulsory licensing so far. Which of the statements given above is correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. We have 20 more seconds. Yes. So last 10 seconds. Okay, everyone have given the answer. So the right answer is what? Compulsory licensing, yes. So when a person has a patent, then the patent is given for a particular number of years. Till that number of years expires, that person enjoys a kind of monopoly in producing, distributing, sales, etc. But compulsory licensing, which will compromise the right of the patent holder, right? So that is given against that patent right. So India has given it once. India has given it once. So Nexavar, cancer drug, okay, Bayer production company, they hold patent for a cancer saving drug called as Nexavar. So against that patent, India issued compulsory licensing. Alright, so there was one instance where India has used. Statement 2 goes wrong, statement 1 is correct. Answer is A, 1 only. As per the poll result, majority have chosen it correct. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Okay, there's a change in the top 5. Om Sneha, you are in the top. Sanjay, then Anand, then Navin Kumar and Sujit, you are in the top 5. So congrats for all those who have got it correct. Let's move on to the question number 3. Consider the following statements. Remember, in 3 questions will be having 30 seconds, but this question has 60 seconds, no problem. So replacement level fertility is the level of fertility at which a population exactly replaces itself from one generation to the next. As per the 5th National Family Health Survey, the total fertility rate has sharply increased in the majority of the Indian states. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2. Delhi neither 1 nor 2. 30 more seconds. Remember, in today's episode, for 3 questions, we have only 30 seconds. So, be conscious about that fact. Last 20 seconds. Replacement level is the level of fertility at which population exactly replaces itself from one generation to the next. Last 5 seconds. Yes, time is up. So replacement level fertility or replacement rate, fertility rate, it means it is the fertility rate at which the number of death and number of birth will equal. When a country achieves a replacement, if the country's fertility rate is 2.1, if a country's total fertility rate is 2.1, then that rate is called as replacement rate. At that situation, the number of births in that country will match number of deaths. So there will be a population stability, right? That is the idea of this replacement fertility rate. So that is correct. As per the NFHS 5, the total fertility rate in India is declining. It is not increasing, it is declining. So India's overall average fertility rate is 2.0. It is well below the total fertility rate. That is why our population growth rate is actually declining, right? So here answer is A, 1 only, 2 goes wrong. Let's have a look at the poll result. Majority have chosen it correct. Congrats. So what about the scoreboard? Om Sneha, you are still in the top, followed by Sujit, Namrat, Navin Kumar and Saurabh Shinde. Congrats for everyone. Let's move on to the question number 4. Let's see, at least for this question we have 30 seconds or not. Consider the following statements. Nice, as expected, we have 30 seconds. So yes, the question is regarding exoplanets. Exoplanets are the planets that orbit a star other than our sun. The first exoplanet was discovered in 2023. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So last 5 more seconds, hurry up. 2, 1, 0. So yes, exoplanets are planets that orbit a star other than our sun. That is correct. Like how 8 planets come around sun, there are planets coming around other stars, that is called as exoplanet. The first exoplanet was discovered in 1992. Till now we have discovered more than 4,000 exoplanets. Okay, so statement 2 goes wrong. So answer is 1 only. Majority have chosen it correct. Congrats. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Om Sneha, congrats. You are again in the top, followed by Namrat, Sujit, Harsh and Saurabh Shinde. So yes, Sam 8425, you are the highest climber. You have climbed 13 places. Congrats, man. Let's move to the question number 5. Consider the following statements about AFSPA, Armed Forces Special Powers Act. The act in its original form was promulgated by the British in response to the Quit India movement. The act empowers the governor of a state to declare the whole or part of the state as a disturbed area. The AFSPA is in force in all the states of northeastern India. How many of the statements given above are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3, none. Last 30 seconds, 30 seconds more. Twenty more seconds. Armed Forces Special Powers Act. So yes, majority have given the answer. Let's see what is the right answer. The Act AFSPA, see AFSPA, central government, governor or the union territory administrator can declare a particular area in their state as a disturbed area. Either a particular area or a whole area can be declared as disturbed area. Once an area is declared as disturbed area, in that area the armed forces will be given special powers. They can arrest without a warrant, they can search anywhere without warrant, they can even open fire, right? So that much powers is given for the armed forces under AFSPA. Originally it was introduced in the northeastern states, then it was extended to Jammu and Kashmir. Currently in parts of Assam, in Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and in Jammu and Kashmir we have this AFSPA, not in all the states of northeast. So statement 1, 2 is correct, statement 3 is wrong, only 2 statements is correct. So answer is Bombay only 2. Majority have chosen it correct, congrats. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Om Sneha, you are still in the top, congrats. Followed by Sujit, Namrat, Harsh, Harish, 5460. So Shakti Devi 1577 is the highest climber in this round, congrats. Let's move on to the question number 6. Consider the following statements about avian influenza. It is a viral infection caused by influenza type A viruses which spreads from bird to bird. Avian influenza can infect humans through direct contact with infected poultry or contaminated environments. Which of the statements given above is incorrect? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. We have 30 more seconds. Last 20 seconds. So yes, everyone has given the answer. Remember, the question is regarding incorrect. Okay, you have to choose the incorrect statements. Both the statements are correct here. You have to choose Delhi, but as expected, in a hurry, majority of you have chosen the answer is C, both 1 and 2, but the answer is neither 1 nor 2. See, avian influenza, that is nothing but H5N1. It is a type A influenza virus that will spread from wild bird to domestic bird, no doubt. When you go in close contact with such infected birds, you will also get, humans also get. Both statements are correct. The question is regarding incorrect. So answer is Delhi. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. I think there will be a change in the top 5. As expected, Sujit, you are in the top, followed by Jawahar, Naveen Kumar, Om Sneha and Sujit. So congrats for all those who have got it correct. Let's move on to the question number 7. So consider the following statements. Dark matter works like a repulsive force. Dark matter accounts for roughly 68% of the universe's total mass and energy. Which of the statement given above is the correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. See, 30 seconds question, great. I am just realizing it. Okay, interesting. So last 5 more seconds. So yes, so dark matter, what is a dark matter? So the entire universe, if you take up all the matter, that is you add all the planets, see, every matter you see, you come across, not just in Earth, the entire universe, you add everything, that will occupy just 5% of the universe. What about the remaining 95%? So in 1930, an American researcher who was coming up with the concept of dark matter. So he was saying that the universe is not just made up of matter and empty space. You have 5% of matter, you have remaining dark matter. Later the theory got evolved. Again, the remaining entire thing is not filled with dark matter. There is something called as dark matter and dark energy. The dark matter occupies almost 27% of the remaining space, 5% of matter, 27% of dark matter and 68% of dark energy. The dark energy is repulsive force. Okay, dark matter is not repulsive, it is attractive only. Okay, so this universe has two broader forces, one is attractive, one is repulsive. But these dark matter and dark energy, they are in the hypothesis stage. Dark matter development is happening. In dark energy, it is still in the hypothesis stage. But however, dark matter is not a repulsive force and dark matter is not accounting for 68%, it is dark energy. Both the statements are wrong. Answer is Delhi. Unfortunately, majority have chosen as answer A, one only. So let's have a look at the scoreboard. So Jawahar, you have climbed to the top position, followed by Sujit, Naveen Kumar, Om Sneha, and okay, we have two Sujit, 1, 2, 3 in the second spot, only Sujit in the fifth spot. Right, anyways, congrats. Let's move on to the question number 8. Consider the following statements about balance of payments. So, balance of payments summarizes the economic transactions of an economy with the rest of the world for a specified period. Transactions of the private sector are not recorded in the balance of payment statement. Answer 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Last 30 seconds. You have 20 more seconds. You have one more 30-second question, remember. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Balance of payment is a systematic record which you do with all the record of all the transactions which you do with the outside world. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2, it will record everything. It will record the private sector transaction as well. You go to America, you go to UK, even that transaction is also recorded under the balance of payment. So statement 2 goes wrong, statement 1 is correct. Answer is A, 1 only. As expected, majority have chosen it correct. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Again, Jawahar in the top, followed by Naveen Kumar, Om Sneha, I think you are climbing up, then followed by Sujit Square. So let's move on to the question number 9. The 6 cross 6 cross 6 strategy is related to which of the initiatives? Gati Shakti, Anemia Mukta Bharat, PM Kisan, Atal Pension Yojana. Six cross 6 strategy. Last 30 seconds. See, I have made a video on strategy for prelims 2024. So you can watch it, it will be useful. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 6 cross 6 strategy is related to Anemia Mukta Bharat, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and UNICEF. They both came with this 6 cross 6 strategy to reduce the prevalence of anemia all over India. You have, what is the 6 cross 6? 6 intervention groups, I mean 6 group, population group, 6 intervention mechanism and 6 institutional mechanisms. Okay, so target group, 6 interventions what we are going to do, like giving supplements and by deworming exercises, etc. And we have 6 institutional mechanism to deliver this, that is called as 6 cross 6. So yes, majority have chosen it correct. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. So Jawahar, you are in the top again, followed by Naveen Kumar, Om Sneha, Sujit, and Namrat. You have climbed to the 5th position. So congrats for all those in the top 5 and others. Let's move on to the question number 10. Consider the following statements. The PDS, Public Distribution System in India, is operated under the joint responsibility of the central and state governments. The One Nation, One Ration Card initiative aims at providing intra-state as well as interstate portability of ration cards. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. $25 seconds more. Last 5 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Time up. So PDS is operated jointly by central and state government. That is correct. Don't think PDS means only Food Corporation of India. It's a system. It starts with procurement from the farmers, storage, distribution to state government, then finally delivering to the beneficiaries to the fair price shop. That entire thing forms the PDS. Right? In the One Nation, One Ration initiative, it aims to provide both intrastate and interstate portability. That is absolutely correct. So before this One Nation, One Ration, what happens, every individual, we will be linked with one particular ration shop. Only from that ration shop we can get the food grains. But however, under this One Nation, One Ration, what you have to do is just link your ration card with Aadhaar. Then your ration card will become portable within your state, or you go to any other part of the country, you can use your ration card to get the food grains under the National Food Security Act at the subsidized price. That is the beauty of this ONOR. Both the statements are correct. As expected, majority have chosen it correct. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Jawar still in the top, followed by Naveen Kumar, Bavitra, Om Sneha and Sujit. So nice. Congrats for all who got it correct. Let's move on to the question number 11. With reference to IFSC, consider the following statements. International Financial Service Center. In India, IFSC is regulated by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. India's first IFSC has been set up in Gujarat. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. 30 seconds question, great. I'm just realizing it. Quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So yes, International Financial Service Center, that is the India's first IFSC, which is located in Gujarat. It is located in a place called as Gift City, Gujarat International Financial Tech City. So this Gift City is an international financial service center where you will find only financial services like banking, insurance, mutual funds, stock marketing, investment banking, etc. Now, all these institutions in the Gift City is regulated by one authority, which is IFSCA, International Financial Services Center Authority, not Ministry of Corporate Affairs. 1 goes wrong, 2 is correct. Answer is 2 only. Yes, majority have chosen it correct. Congrats. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Jawahar the top. I think the top 5 you are hitting the same spot. Congrats. Let's move on to the question number 12. The term Kessler syndrome, sometimes seen in news, is related to greenhouse gases, Lagrange point, space debris, dark matter. Kessler syndrome. Thirty more seconds. Okay, majority have chosen. Answer is C, space debris. So that is correct. See, Donald Kessler, a person from America in 1978, was coming up with this Kessler syndrome concept, which says that too much of space junk can cause a chain reaction, right? One space junk can hit other. It is said that more than 750,000 space particles with the size of around 1 centimeter plus or minus is just roaming in the space that moves at a very high speed. Usually the satellites move at a speed of 30,000-40,000 kilometers per hour. These space debris also move at that speed. So what happens if when it moves at that great speed, that gains more energy, and that when it impacts it is going to cause huge damage. That is explained by this Kessler syndrome. Answer is C, space debris. Majority have chosen it correct. Let's see the scoreboard. So Jawahar, you are still on the top, followed by Bavitra, Om Sneha, Sujit and Kavya Priya. So congrats for the new entries in the top 5. Let's move on to the question number 13. In which one of the following regions in India one could find both the tropical evergreen forest and mangrove forest, where you can see the both? Southern Saurashtra, Shivalik ranges of Himalayas, north coastal Andhra Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In which one of the following regions in India one could find both tropical evergreen forest and mangrove forest? Thirty more seconds. Last 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. So, yes, answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, there you find tropical evergreen, mangrove, moist deciduous, littoral forest. One interesting thing you should know, in the Andaman Nicobar, mangroves largely found in the Andaman. Nicobar group of islands, you will not find much of mangroves. Anyhow, here the answer is Delhi. So, majority have chosen it correct. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Okay. Jawahar, you are still in the top position when others are changing their places. Sujit, Om Sneha, Bavitra, Kavya Priya, you are on the remaining 4. So, congrats. So, let's move on to the question number 14. Arrange the following protected areas in the directions of north to south. Nagarholi National Park, Pench National Park, Mullam National Park, Kalakad, Mudandurai Tiger Reserve. Select the correct answer using the codes given below: 2134, 1342, 2314, 4213. Arrange it: Nagarholi National Park, Pench National Park, Mullam National Park, Kalakad, Mundandurai or Mudandurai Tiger Reserve. Arrange it in the north to south. Last 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. So, majority have chosen it A. Okay. See, first comes Madhya Pradesh, that is Pench National Park, which is in Madhya Pradesh, then followed by Mullam National Park in Goa, then followed by Nagarholi National Park in Karnataka, then Kalakad Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu. Answer is C, 2, 3, 1, 4. Right? So, not many have got it correct. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Okay, the top 5, you are still in the top 5. Congrats for the top 5. So, let's move to the final question for the day. That is question number 15. Consider the following islands. Marshall Islands, Northern Mariana Islands, 102 Island, Solomon Islands. Select the correct north to south sequence using the codes given below. Marshall, Northern Mariana, 102, Solomon Islands. Last 30 seconds. Last 10 more seconds. Three, two, one, and 0. Yes, so here from north to south you have to arrange the islands. First comes Northern Mariana Islands, then Marshall Islands, then 102 Islands, then Solomon Islands. So answer is Delhi 2143. Okay, all the options, everyone have chosen almost all the options with equal ratio. So majority were confused with C and D, I guess. Anyhow, answer is Delhi. Let's have a look at the final scoreboard. The final podium, the third place goes to Om Sneha. Congrats, Om Sneha. You have an interesting book. Jawahar. Okay, man, Jawahar, you are in second place. The first place goes to Sujit. Congrats, Sujit. You were going below the top 5, then you are coming up. Great, man. You have climbed the first spot. Congrats for all, and congrats for Om Sneha, Sujit, Jawahar. So, yes, I hope this initiative is adding some value to your preparation, and also hope it helps you to break your boredom in your preparation. So we will meet you again next week, Saturday, same 6 p.m. Till then, bye, take care.